Hey guys, this is question MM026 of the 2017 Maths Methods Sharpen Study Guide. How to create a matrix equation out of simultaneous linear equations. So the first thing that we need to sort of recognize with this question is the actual format of these matrices. And you can see that a couple of them don't follow the normal matrix format. So we can immediately get rid of these ones. Whenever I do multiple choice questions, I like to try and eliminate as many answers as possible before I actually start trying to work it out. So immediately I can tell that A and C are not our answers, and the reason why is because a matrix equation like this needs to take the form where you've got this 3x3 matrix at the start, the 1x3 matrix here, and the 1x3 matrix on the other side. A and C do not have that format, so I'm immediately going to cross those out. They won't work in the terms of this question. And you'll come to know that as you do more of these types of questions. So, firstly we need to actually, well, not firstly, secondly we need to apply all of these equations to see what simultaneous equations it spits out. Now, in order to convert these matrices to equations, we need to multiply them across. Now, the way that this works is our top row corresponds to, I'll just show you because it's a little bit easier to explain if I just show you. So we take the first column in the top row and we multiply it by A, which gives us 1A. We then add 0 times B, so the second column there, to the second row here, which gives us 0. We then times 0 to C, which also gives us 0. And then we know that that is equal to 3, because 3 is on the other side, and that's at the same level there, which means that A equals 3. Secondly, okay, I'm just going to write it up here for you. So we know that A equals 3. Secondly, we take this 0, multiply it by A. So the first, we go down a row, multiply this first number by this first number and get 0 times A, which is 0. So that's our first one. We then get 1 times B, which is B, negative 1 times C, which is negative C. And we know that that equals 10. We then go down another row. 0 times A is 0. 1 times B is B. 1 times C is positive C. And we know that that equals 20. Now, we're lucky because the first question the first answer that we've tested has actually been correct, because if we rearrange this, we get C equals 20 minus B, which is our third equation, and this is our second equation, which actually corresponds to these equations up here, giving us our correct answer of B. Now, if you didn't get the correct answer here, keep testing, and if none of them are correct, then you've done something wrong. You've made an arithmetical error. So just go back and test your working and try and get the right answer.